Hello everyone, this is Avishek KC. I am doing my Bachelor's in Hotel Management degree at KFA Business School on 5th semester, and currently I am doing my bartending as a senior bartender on a Bagaicha also. So today I am going to make a cocktails named Bambia, on which I am going to put the Baileys. I got the brandy, like Himalayan brandy, one of our best domestic brandy, and coconut milk and strawberry puree. So here we go. First of all, before making Bambia, let me seal a margarita glass. So I'm using Baileys 30 ml. And Himalayan brandy 40 ml. $20 ml of coconut milk. And 20 ml of strawberry puree. This one is a homemade strawberry puree which I had made it over here. So that's why it is a little bit thick and the color is so light. And here is our Bambia ready.